How to dance bachata.
Hey, are you going to get married very soon?
No!
I'm not talking to you. What I was talking about? Your fiancé is asking, let's do something fun for the wedding first dance.
Or maybe you want to find something hot and spicy to do?
Like eating some Sri Lankan spicy food?
No! Or you simply in love with Latin American music and want to dance with that rhythm?
Yes, that is what we are talking about. I am Kasun.
Anastasia?
And we are going to teach you A to Z how to dance bachata. It's going to happen right now. I'm super pumped about this. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yes, guys, so let's start right now. Kasun, we are not done yet.
We're going to teach you how to dance bachata. So Anna, can you count 1 to 4?
Of course we can. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So me being Spanish, I should count 1, 2, 3, 4.
From which times Colombia is part of Spain now?
Right. If you can count in any language 1 to 4, you can dance bachata.
Get off your couch and follow us. Come.
We have 3 steps and 1 press. Let's start with our left leg. Follow us along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, press. Right leg. 2, 3, press. You're doing great. Brilliant. Press and 1, 2, 3, press.
But Kasun, we are doing different.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot. The same word can be 2 different meanings for guys and girls.
Thank you. So let's see where it's different. 1, 2, 3. If boys, they're doing little bit down with their hip, we don't like to do it. We like to show our hip more. So ladies, on 4 we will collect our legs together and press and push up our hip little bit up. 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 up and down. 1, 2, 3 up and down.
Alright guys, let's try this together. Girls follow Anna, boys follow me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 from the right. 1, 2. You guys are doing perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Guys. So, don't do what she does, because if you do that with the hips, you will get some numbers, but they are not going to be from girls. Alright, so we know the first basic, the long basic. We're going to do the second basic, which is the short basic. It's going to be very, very simple. It's not going to be left or right. It's going to be in place. So, let's do it right now. Starting with your left leg. We are not moving anywhere. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you turn the other way and do the same thing? Yes, just for you guys. And I'll be still facing you because you guys like to see me. So let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So last step for today.
Before we will start something more exciting.
And last step for today is the turn. We're going to start with the basic, try to what we did before. We're going to start with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to turn. So what I do is I turn my leg on 1. On 2, I'm going to turn fully and transfer my weight to the left leg. Transfer, finish and press. Once again. Anna, can you come a little bit forward? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So Anna, shall we put all together and practice once?
Good idea. We will do 2 long basics, 2 short basics, and then together long line and turn.
Alright, here we go. Starting with the left leg for me, right leg for her. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Short line with us. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Back to long. 1 to the turn. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this for music now. Let's start. 5, 6, 7, 8. In place. Back to long. Turn. One more time. Let's do it again. One more. Short. Back again. And turn.
Now it's time for partner work.
Oh no! How do I connect? With my left hand. First I offer my left hand. She takes my left hand and I gently hold. Don't squeeze it, don't squeeze it. We are nice people, we don't do that. So we keep it up and my right hand goes to her left shoulder blade. Now guys, this doesn't move. They have done a lot of research on that. The ladies' shoulder blade never moves. So we keep the hand steady. Right hand and left hand.
And I put my left arm on his shoulder and trying to keep this connection between my and his elbow. So there is no space. Don't keep it like that. It's not comfortable and there is no meaning. Just put it slightly on his shoulder.
Just before we go into steps, I have one more thing to say, especially when you release your hand. I can make a nice big circle. Nice big circle, bring it up. Ooh, nice big circle. I'm dreaming. Nice big circle. Right there. So, let's do it together. Hold. Let's get to dancing. So we are here. We start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, stop. 4. Now I use my that beautiful hand action, which I like. The circle. 1, and I get close to her. Now we are connected, not with our hips. It's more like with our core, right? Then we can do our basic short. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. More room. Then we go back to our long basic. 1, 2. My hand goes up on 4, indicating her that's her turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice that together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Short. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, go out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it for music.
job, guys. We are done for today. I hope you enjoyed this class as much as we are. Please, if you like this video, press like button, leave your comment,
and do subscribe right there. Just go ahead and click it. Just click the bell button as well. Don't worry about it. You can stay updated with our channel and next lesson as well. So see ya.
Oh, guys, you totally forgot. Next class is coming
in 4 days.
See you then.